Venus, the second planet from the Sun, named after the goddess of love, but it's the most hostile world in our solar system.
I'm Captain Alex Rivera. Time to see if I can survive this hell. The atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide. Surface pressure is 92 times stronger than Earth. Touchdown on Venus. I can't believe I'm here. Time to step outside. My boots are already feeling the heat. This ground is scorching. These cracks show constant tectonic activity. Venus has no plate tectonics like Earth, but it still moves. Those glowing rivers are molten rock flowing slowly. Temperature is over 460 Celsius right now. Daytime here lasts 243 Earth days, longer than its year. The heat is unbearable even in the suit. Watch this. Fresh lava. Everything here wants to melt me. Sulfuric acid is corroding my suit. I can't stay out here much longer. Returning to Ether 1, surface time is too dangerous. Venus is winning this round. Safe for now. Let's explore from the air. Activating low-altitude flight mode. Look at that massive lava lake. It's bigger than cities on Earth. Constant volcanic resurfacing keeps Venus young. Venus is called Earth's twin because of similar size. But it took a different path. Runaway greenhouse effect. The clouds are full of sulfuric acid. No life could survive here. Mission complete. One deadly planet survived. Next stop, even more dangerous worlds.